Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now working in Bank of Baroda. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 18 August 2020. If you want this PDF and also daily quizzes, get us to my WhatsApp GA group, link is in the pinned comment of video. Also kindly subscribe to the channel. PM Narendra Modi has announced the launch of National Digital Health Mission. So Modi has announced launch of National Digital Health Mission. Name the nodal agency which will implement this National Digital Health Mission. So it is National Health Authority and it is approx of 470 crore. So National Digital Health Mission is of 470 crore and it is implemented by National Health Authority. 1000 days target for submarine optical fiber connectivity in Lakshadweep Island. So you should remember target is of 1000 days and it is submarine optical fiber connectivity in Lakshadweep around Lakshadweep Sea. So just remember this, and of the southwestern coast of India. It is southwestern coast of India, Lakshadweep Sea in Lakshadweep Island, and through this nearly 6 लाख विलेजेस विल कनेक्ट. सो इससे 6 लाख विलेजेस भी कनेक्ट होंगे. ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज़ है. पीएम मोदी अनाउंस्ड 10-year लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट टू कंजर्व विच एनिमल. सो इट इज़ गैंगेटिक डॉल्फिन. गंगा जी में जो डॉल्फिन होती है गैंगेटिक डॉल्फिन, उसके लिए पीएम मोदी ने अनाउंस किया है 10-year लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट. एंड गैंगेटिक डॉल्फिन को नेशनल एक्वेटिक स्पीसीज जो बनाया था वो 2010 में बनाया था, 2010 में. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर इट. हु हेड्स द कमेटी फॉर्म्ड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट टू रिकंसीडर द मिनिमम एज फॉर मैरिज फॉर वुमेन. सो फॉर वुमेन मैरिज एक कमेटी बनाई गई जिससे मिनिमम एज रिकंसीडर करी जाए, जिससे जो गर्ल्स की जो स्टडीज़ हैं उस पर इफ़ेक्ट ना आए. सो इसकी जो कमेटी की हेड थी वो मिस जया जेटली थी, जया जेटली. ग्वालियर चंबल एक्सप्रेसवे इन मध्य प्रदेश वाज नेम्ड आफ्टर whom? So it is named after our former PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So you should remember Gwalior Chambal Expressway in MP named after Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Indian Railway Northeast Frontier Railway Zone, it has made world's tallest pier bridge across Ijai River in Manipur. So you should remember it is world's tallest pier bridge across Ijai River in Manipur. So you should remember that it is by Northeast Frontier Railway Zone and across Ijai River in Manipur. And you should remember its length also, 141 meter. 141 meter. Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign. I have already covered that 272 districts in this are covered, and it is by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. And Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment is Mr. Tawarchand Gehlot. So you should remember this. Indian Post commemorative stamps on. सो इंडिया पोस्ट ने कॉमीमोरेटिव स्टैम्प निकाली इन चीज़ों पे. सो ये आपको याद रखने हैं कहाँ पे. बॉम जीसस चर्च, इट इज़ इन गोवा, ये स्टैटिक में पूछा जा सकता है. सरखेज रोजा, इट इज़ इन अहमदाबाद. पटाडकल मोनूमेंट, इट इज़ ऑफ कर्नाटका. एंड जावेरी टेम्पल एंड खुजराहो, इट इज़ इन मध्य प्रदेश. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ देम. फिट इंडिया फ्रीडम रन, इट इज़ बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स. फिट इंडिया फ्रीडम रन बाय यूथ अफेयर्स and Sports Ministry. Developed an infrastructure to transport fly ash from power plant in Berg to cement plant at cheaper cost. So it is by NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. So you should remember NTPC has developed an infrastructure to transport fly ash from power plants in bulk. मतलब एक साथ उसको पावर प्लांट से फ्लाई एश को निकालेंगे और टू सीमेंट प्लांट में भेज देंगे चीपर रेट पे. 3 million pound innovation challenge fund by UK, that is United Kingdom, to India for COVID-19 and climate. So just remember UK has given this Innovation Challenge Fund of £3 million to India for COVID and climate. पढ़ाई तुहार पारा scheme, it is of Chhattisgarh. Padhai is for study and Tuhar for is you para. Scheme is of Chhattisgarh, and previous Chhattisgarh news was Darpan Portal. It has got Elite Excellence Award and it is of Chhattisgarh. Darpan Portal, Chhattisgarh. Digital Apnaye campaign. It is by PNB, Punjab National Bank. Digital Apnaye. Adopt digitalness. So it is campaign by PNB. Central Water Commission plus Google for flood forecasting. So just remember, in this news they will ask which company with Central Water Commission for flood forecasting. So it is Google. Don't confuse it with Facebook or other company. Committee for Kozhikode plane crash. So it is SS Chahar led committee. SS Chahar is the head for Kozhikode plane crash, and plane was Air India Express Dubai Calicut flight 91344. Just remember both. First Indian cricketer to score century in all the three formats, Test, ODI, T20. It was Suresh Raina. He retired. Name the person who claims the record number of podium finishes in F1 history. So, record number of podium finishes in Formula 1 history is Lewis Hamilton. He is the driver of Mercedes. Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes. Who is the only captain in the history of the cricket to win 3 ICC trophies? That is T20 World Cup, ODI World Cup and Champions Trophy. He is MS Dhoni. He also retired. So T20 World Cup 2017 में जीता था इंडिया ने इनकी कैप्टनशिप में, एंड ODI वर्ल्ड कप 2011 में, एंड चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी 2013 में. यू शुड रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ देम. The Beauty of Living Twice book. It is by Sharon Stone and it is published by Alfred Knopf. Sometimes they ask that it is published by which publisher. So you should remember it also. Just read it. Sharon Stone, Living Twice book. Full Spectrum, India's War 1972 to 2020. It is a book by Arjun Subramaniam and published by Harper Collins. Tharoor Soros book. It is by Shashi Tharoor, published by Penguin. Tharoor Soros by Shashi Tharoor and published by Penguin. Chetan Chauhan died. He was cricketer and was also in politics. Yellow Chain e-commerce platform. It is launched by Nagaland. Yellow Chain e-commerce platform. It is of Nagaland. Now static from current. Biodiversity Park. It is in Kasan Aravali range in Haryana. Bhitarkanika Park, it is in Odisha. Blue Bay Marine Park, it is in Mauritius. And Indravati Park, it is in Chhattisgarh. So this was the news for 18 August. If you like the content, please like the video and also kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.